my name is Alex Orengo, and this is the community problem assignment. Uh, in regards to the Oscars, I decided to dress up a little bit. So, a few things we need to cover, or we've covered, are just pretty much establishing our group, getting everybody together, coming into contact, working out the kinks, uh, working with the White Knights has been pretty interesting. Although we only meet a couple of times, or we've met only a couple of times, it's been it's been quite a bit of experience where we've shared each other's views in regards to the class. A couple of things we're supposed to talk about are, you know, what have we learned in the past week? Well, on my personal view, after reading the book, reading the handbook, the PowerPoints that have been provided to us, we are basically a secondary group with somewhat of ties into a primary group. Um, Reason being, we do have we are put together to figure out a certain problem, certain issues. But then again, already trying to, we're already forming a bond within each other. Um, we do see what it takes to make this actually happen. Um, Although we find it very confusing, uh, certain topics or the way the lesson, the class itself has been issued, um, we're doing it little by little. We're accomplishing those certain obstacles. We help out each other. Um, I don't believe any one person in our group has taken leadership. We all do tend to share that whole responsibility. Uh, we've established our goals. We've established our rules, um, and I mean we're there. We're working it out. We all are putting in our certain amount or our percentage of effort that is needed to make this succeed. Um, Few other things in regards to things I still don't understand or have questions about. Um, Pretty much the whole volunteer program. Um, I've put in some suggestions also. Um, so has Anna and Juan, Marion, Amanda. We've all put in our 2 cents. We've all tried to accomplish or try to see what other programs, what other volunteer programs there are out there. We've thought about the Haven for Hope, the food bank. I've also recommended the uh, Explorers Academy or the Explorers, uh, the law enforcement side of which I deal with, where I go and I volunteer. And everybody seems to be good in regards to uh, either one of those programs. Um, that's probably the most difficult part that we see is just uh, how we are gonna take what we do there and apply it to the class. Um, Second thing is just pretty much the material. Not knowing where to start off at or where to end is probably one of the things that I still have questions about. Um, and then in regards to taking the one thing that I've learned into my work experience, actually, it's been my work experience that I've used to be able to present to my group or to share with my group and actually have it uh, work out. Uh, as a police officer, we work on a daily basis in groups, in pairs. Um, we have to learn to be able to deal in any type of situation given to us, um, whether it be culture, whether it be gender, um, whatever the case may be. We have to learn to adapt and apply that in our everyday job. So coming into the group, uh, pretty much I've taken all that I've learned in my experience as a police officer, and shared it with everybody. Everybody's been great at it. We've problem solved with good, I guess, good methods, good deals. Um, our storming has been great. We've each gathered little bit of our own experiences and put them all in into our project. Um, like I mentioned before, we came up with our rules. We came up with our performing. Uh, Everything has worked out great. I have no problems with my group. Everybody's pulled their own weight, and anything that I've maybe learned, if anything, is that they all my group members, my teammates, are all ready to put in 100% to make this grade, to make this class work, to pass this class. And that's pretty much it. That's my presentation to you all. If anything, I hope we learn a little bit more, or I hope I will learn a little bit more with my group, and figuring out what other obstacles will come up, that we are able to try and figure out, and conquer this class. Thank you very much.